last session, we discussed about the concept of Bayesian server they are created and explained in the last session NAT gateway, network access control list, explained in detail. Now in this session, we are going to explain the another concept that is a VPC Reachability Analyzer. This concept we are going to see in hands-on. The VPC Reachability Analyzer is a configuration analysis tool. Using the Reachability Analyzer, it helps to perform connectivity testing between source resource and destination resource in our virtual private cloud. When customers are when customers are deploying large workloads in AWS, it also quite difficult and time consuming to troubleshoot network connectivity issues, mainly due to misconfigurations. So to avoid this problem, we are using in AWS VPC Reachability Analyzer are used. For that, what are the steps we have to follow to create VPC Reachability Analyzer? First, I had to enter my AWS account. Here in Mumbai region, here on search box, we had to search it, the VPC. First, we had to create your own VPC. Click on your VPC. Click on create VPC. I'm choosing the option VPC only. Give the VPC name. I'm given the VPC name VPC Reachability. CIDR name I am given 28.0.0.0/16 I am given. Scroll down. Click on create VPC. The VPC is created with the name VPC Reachability. Now I am creating the subnet I am creating. For that, on left side, you click on subnet. Click on create subnet. I am given the subnet name, that is, first we have to select the your virtual private cloud VPC Reachability. Scroll down. Subnet name I am given VPC Reachability Subnet. I am given the name subnet name. And the availability zone, I am not given any availability zone. I am not given any preference. The CIDR I am given as 28.0.1.0/24 I am given. Means we can assign IP addresses 256. Out of 256 IP addresses, the AWS is reserved 5 IP addresses. So we can assign only 251, the remaining. Scroll down, click on create subnet. The subnet is created with the name VPC Reachability Subnet. Now, we have to select the subnet, that is VPC Reachability. Go for actions, click on edit subnet settings. Here we will put the tick mark, enable auto assign public IPv4 address. Scroll down, click on save option. Now, the next step, we are create the internet gateways. On left side, we can click on internet gateways. Scroll down, click on create internet gateway, and given the internet gateway name is VPC Reachability Internet. That's why I'm given the name Reachability Internet Gateway. Scroll down, Click on create gateway, internet gateway, that the internet gateway is created. See that with the name VPC Reachability Internet Gateway. Right now, I am not assigned with that internet gateway. Virtual private cloud, I am not assigned. See that the state is detached. Now to attach the virtual private cloud for this internet gateway, we select the internet gateway, go for actions, attach VPC. Here you can select whatever you have created the virtual private cloud, that virtual private cloud we can select it. That is VPC reachability. Click on attach internet gateway. That is for your internet gateway, I am attaching the virtual private cloud. Okay. Now we can create the root table. On left side, we can select the root table. Here we can click on create root table. We have to give the root table name. I am given the root table name is VPC reachability root table. I am given the name. You can select the virtual private cloud, whatever you are created, the virtual private cloud, that virtual private cloud, we can select it. Scroll down, click on create root table. The root table is created with the name VPC reachability root table. Now, for this root table, we can select the subnet, our subnet, we can choose it. For that, how we can select our subnet? We can select the root table, go for actions. Here, edit subnet association option is there. Click on that. Now we can select your subnet, that is VPC reachability subnet. Put the tick mark. Click on save association. Okay. Now we can select the root table, go for actions, edit routes, that is to attach the internet gateway. Okay. For that, we select the root table, go for action, edit route, and then here we have to select destination and the target. Here we can add route, select the destination, and the target is the internet gateway. We can select this one, click on save changes. I am creating virtual private cloud with the name VPC reachability. I create the subnet with the name VPC reachability subnet. I create the internet gateway with the name VPC net. I am creating the root table with the name VPC reachability root table. Now, in Mumbai region, I am launching Linux mission. I am launching with our VPC and the subnet. Okay. Now on search box, you have to type it EC2. In Mumbai region, that launch the Linux server. Click on launch instances. Give the name, that is, I am given the name is VPC Reachability Linux server. Scroll down. I have to choose the Amazon mission image, free tier eligible one. Choose the instant type T2.micro. It is providing 1 CPU, 1 GB memory. We can create new key pair. Click on that. Can give the key pair name is VPC Reachability Linux server key. This is I am given. You can private key file format, PEM file format, we can choose it. Click on create key pair. Now, The next step in network settings, click on edit option. Here we can choose your virtual private cloud. Select the VPC. What the virtual private cloud you are created? VPC reachability. We can select your virtual private cloud. And your subnet we are selecting. That is your subnet is VPC reachability subnet. Here on that subnet, you can assign auto assign public IP. That is enabled. I am given the security group name, that is VPC reachability Linux server security group. Is I copy and paste it in description. Scroll down. Here in security group, security role, type SSH, port range is 22, source type is anywhere, and we can add another security group, that is HTTP I am adding. Okay. The source is anywhere. Okay. Scroll down. Here I am not adding any additional storage, any advanced details. Click on launch instance. That is, instance is launched with the name VPC reachability. See that? The state is pending. Wait for a few minutes. Now it is in running. Okay. Now we check that the instant state is running. Now we go to the VPC. The Reachability Analyzer, it is a paid service, not the free service. Remember the students. Go to VPC. Here on left side, we can click on Reachability Analyzer. See that on left side, Reachability Analyzer option is there. See, on the virtual private cloud, we can click on Reachability Analyzer. Virtual private cloud. We can see the options. Virtual private cloud. Is there any reachability analyzer? Under security? No. Networks? No. Virtual private networks? No. Peering connection option is there. Yes. Here in Network Manager, click on this. Here in Network Manager, the Reachability Analyzer option is there. We can click on Reachability Analyzer. Here, create a Reachability Analyze path. That is, we have to give the name, select the source type and the source, and select the destination type and the destination. All those things we have to fill. That is, I am given the name, VPC Reachability Analyzer. And the path source I am not given. We can choose the sources, instances, that is the VPC Reachability Linux server. Okay. Now, try to choose the destination. The destination is the internet gateway. We have to choose it. You can choose the destination. Here, what the internet gateway we are creating? VPC Reachability Net. Here, we can type it, the Reachability Analyzer name, VPC Reachability Analyzer. We can select the source and the destination. Here in path source type we can choose it, and the source Linux server we are chosen. And path destination, we can choose the internet gateway destination type, and the destination, the internet gateway we are chosen. And then we can choose the protocol is TCP, scroll down, and then click on create and analyze the path. Click on that. Now, to check the details in Reachability Analyzer, we can select the Reachability Analyzer, VPC Reachability Analyzer, and here we can select the path and then go for actions. Here view details option is there. You can click on view details option. See that at the bottom it is showing the path, whether from source to the internet gateway it is reaching the destination properly or not. That is, it is selecting. See that the source is, we are given the Linux server. The name is VPC Reachability Linux server to the internet gateway. This is the destination. Here it reached the destination properly. The reachability status is reachable. Reachability status is reachable. Now, for more understanding about the VPC Reachability Analyzer, we disconnect the routing table and the internet gateway. Okay. For that, we can go for the routing table. Here on left side, we can choose the routing table. Here, we can select the route table, go for actions, edit routes. Now, we have to remove, we can remove, that is the internet gateway we have to remove, this one. Click on save changes. Now, go for your reachability analyzer, just refresh this one. Go for your reachability analyzer, select the reachability analyzer. We can select your reachability analyzer. The name is VPC Reachability Analyzer. Go for actions. Before that, you can refresh this one. Actions, view details. Now see that. What is the status? What is the status? Just wait for a few minutes. Before that, in Reachability Analyzer, analyze the path. We had to enter the path name, that is optional. Click on confirm. Okay. Now you refresh it. The status is pending. Wait for few minutes. That is, I am removing the internet gateway in routing table from Linux server to that one. Now we can check it. Select the VPC. See that the reachability status is not reachable. If you want to see in diagrammatically, we can select the VPC reachability, go for actions, view details. Last analysis status is succeed. Reachability status is not reachable. Scroll down. See that first one is reachable. The second, when I remove the internet gateway, the reachability status is not reachable. Scroll down. See the path. See the path, that is outbound header. It is not reached the destination. Here only it is showing not reachable, reachability status. It is not reachable. This is diagrammatically which is represented. That is, for that we are using the reachability analyzer. The Amazon VPC Reachability Analyzer charges you each time you analyze connectivity between your source and the destination. Price per analysis is proceed by VPC Reachability Analyzer, that is 0.10 USD dollars has to be paid. You are getting a bill from the AWS. That is about the VPC Reachability Analyzer. Okay. Now to remove this, we select this one, go for actions, delete path. Click on delete path. Okay. Similarly, we can delete your EC2 instance. Go for EC2, instances, select the instant state, terminate. Now, select your VPC, select the VPC name, go for actions, and then delete. Wait for few minutes. Now we check that it is deleted or not. Instant, it is shutdowning and terminated. Now I will try. Refresh this one. Select the VPC, go for actions, delete VPC. When you are deleting your VPC, means the subnets are deleted, routing tables are deleted, internet gateways are deleted. See that. And type it, delete. Now, automatically, the subnets are deleted. Your created routing table is deleted. Your created internet gateway is deleted. Those are the default internet gateway, right? This is about the VPC Reachability Analyzer.